Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the bass guitar. I am using a fretted bass guitar in this video, but fretless is fine, electric, upright, double, any bass guitar is fine, as long as we are tuned E, A, D, G. That's all you need for this video. It would also be beneficial if you've seen the video released previous to this one. But I will print the name of the chords down below, and remember, for each chord there is 4 plucks, and the double C at the end is your turnaround back to the beginning. You still play the C at the beginning after playing the 2 C's at the end. I will explain all of this in the video. So let's get started. In the previous video we were just playing root notes. That's not really adventurous, it's perfectly fine, but doesn't give the music a lot of movement. So now we're going to give it a bit more of a push into the walking bass line category. That video will follow this one in a couple of days, but I'm going to get you started with this one. So we need root and fifth. Well, to find the root and fifth on the bass guitar is very easy. We will start with C because that's the first note of the chord. A C note is found at the 3rd fret of the A string. Now to find the 5th of the scale, that's the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. No, you do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I know I can't sing, so no comments below. My voice isn't that great. So that's a C note. Now, on the bass guitar, that's your root. The 5th note is C, D, E, F, G. So we're looking for a G note. You can find that in 2 locations very easily. You can either move up 1 string, and that's the 5th note. So I'll do it this way so you can see. I'm taking my hand all the way off. Root, 5th, root, 5th. Now you may hear that in a lot of country songs, but that's one way of doing it. Obviously don't tuck your fingers behind there. That will not help you playing one bit. So now we need to find another way of playing the 5th. So it's 2 frets down towards your other hand and 1 string down. So it's C, 2 frets down and 1 string. So it's the 5th fret of the D string. That's a G. So you've got root, 5th, or root, 5th, root, 5th. Now, which one you wish to use is entirely up to you. If you're using one method, so obviously on the E string, you have to do the other method because there's no string to move to up here, unless you've got a 5, 6. Did they do an 8 string bass? Yeah, they do a 10 and a 12 as well, I think. But most people only have 4. So when you're playing on the E string, you have to do it the other way. So for the ease of this video, we're going to play it this way. Root, 2 frets towards this hand and 1 string down. Obviously, you don't play them 2 notes. That's just showing you I'm moving 2 frets down. So for the C chord, it'd be, so now we're going back to the song, it'd be root, 5th, root, 5th. That's the first bar done. Root, 5th, root, 5th. Then you've got the E chord, the echo chord. That's at the 7th fret of the A string, root, 5th, root, 5th. The A chord we're playing twice, so you're doing it twice. That's the first bar. That's the second bar down to D, 5th, root, 5th. Then the G. The G is found at the 3rd fret of the E string. Then C for 2 bars, root, 5th, root, 5th. Repeat, root, 5th, root, 5th. Then you go back to the beginning of the cycle with C chord, root, 5th, root, 5th. 7th fret of the A string, root, 5th, root, 5th. A string, sorry, the A chord at 5th fret of the A string. Please forgive me, first day with a new mouth. That's the first bar, you play it again. D for 1 bar. G for 1 bar. Then C for 2 bars, root, 5th, root, 5th. That's the first repeat. So obviously we don't play them with them type of gaps because that's not music, you have to play it in beat. So now we'll go through that cycle very slowly to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that A. Repeat that C. Start the cycle again, C. Repeat C. Start again. You may notice I did a bit of a walking bass line then. To learn more about this, that will be in the next video. So as you can see, finding root and fifth is easy. If you wish to use that root fifth, that's perfectly fine with me. It's just music. It's how you, yes, you, the listener watching this video, interprets it. There's no right or wrong, it's just how you interpret it. As long as you're playing, shall we say, notes in the scale or key, you're fine. It really is, but it's up to you. Personally, I use this one, root, fifth, root, fifth, root, fifth. So the root is there, 2 frets down, 1 string down. So right there, 2 frets along to this hand, your plucking hand, and 1 string down. That is a root and a fifth. So tune in for the next video in a couple of days to turn that into a walking bass line. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.